Hello, cleaning business owners. It's Karen Denton, your KSC bidding consultant, and today we're going to talk about how to build trust with property managers. So, the, let me just say this: the biggest mistake cleaning business owners make is focusing too much on the pricing instead of building relationships. By the end of this video, you'll learn 3 powerful ways to gain the trust of property managers or potential clients and turn them into long-term clients. Why trust matters in the commercial cleaning business? Because I'll use property managers, but this pertain to all. So property managers just don't pick the cheapest bid. They pick people who they can trust. And and that's why I say we are a solution for our clients. So you build a relationship with that client, you become they go-to person, best friend can in the cleaning department. They don't got to worry about that. So you want to be a partner with your client. And so, like I said, they won't pick necessarily the cheapest price. They'll pick who they trust. They need a cleaning company that won't disappear, won't cut corners, or ignore complaints. If you prove that you're reliable, even if your price isn't the lowest, you'll still win the contract. It's about strategy. You got to be a problem solver, not just a bidder. Instead of just asking for a contract, ask about their biggest cleaning headaches. Like for example, what's been the biggest frustration with your current cleaning service? Offer a quick fix or expert tip on the spot to show your value. Like then strategy number 2, social proof and authority. Share a before and after success story from a past client. If you can, get a video testimonial or Google reviews to show your credibility. Show proof of results. We help blank cut cleaning complaints by 60% in 3 months. Show some wins. And strategy number 3, follow up with value. Most cleaning businesses send one email and then they give up. Instead of following up with a quick video message, shows your effort, a mini audit. I noticed your high traffic areas need special attention. Here's what we do differently. A free cleaning checklist or a tip sheet. And let me tell you guys something that I use in the offices. I wish I had one sitting here, but I make what's called a tent. And on the tent, it says, please clean my desk. This is a way that I secure that we don't have no complaints in the office buildings when we do office cleaning and when we have to dust their desks. So if they have, it's a bright pink little tent I put on there, and it says, please clean my desk on one side, and the other side has my logo. And if the client puts that tent on their desk, we know to wipe their desk. If there's no tent, we don't wipe it, and we didn't skip nobody's desk, and we didn't miss a clean. So come up with little strategies that can make your performance be top notch with accountability. So just a little recap. Trust beats low prices every time. Show your expertise, provide proof, and follow up with value. Just you gotta. It's just build relationships. That's all I can say. You gotta build relationships. And can y'all put a comment in there about your biggest challenge in winning contracts? I'm going to offer a free consultation for those who are serious about landing more deals. hit the link and schedule your free consultation. And again, I got the links to the bidding app in there. My website and a schedule it link in case you want to schedule a free consultation with me. So I need you guys to like, subscribe, and share this video. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any good information that can help you grow your cleaning business. All right, I'll see you guys on the next video.